The rain has let up here for a second. Still drizzling a little bit. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the smallest post office in the country. The smallest. This is a 7-foot by 8-foot post office manned by one lady that works here in Okeechobee, Florida. This sign does say that this is a former irrigation pipe shed belonging to the JT Company Tomato Farm, hurriedly pressed into service after the 1953 fire of the general store at the post office, and now it's still the city's post office. It's closed today, though. But it is legit. I don't think you can rent a post office box from this location right here. The rain. I get it, though. You know, the Everglades probably needs the rain for all the wildlife that's around here. I keep seeing signs that say panther crossing and seeing lots of wildlife, like birds, but have not seen a panther yet. I'll keep an eye out, and we'll keep heading west. Oh yeah, you're back? You're back in your seat? Yeah? Okay. Till it gets too bumpy for you? All the campgrounds so far are closed along this route. I could have taken, like, I think it's called 75 across. Yeah, 75. The more popular route. I just wanted to pick 40 or 41 instead. There's just not much out here, and all the campgrounds are closed for the season, so we just keep going. I may make it all the way to Fort Myers tonight. I don't know. I won't actually be heartbroken if I don't see any wild gators. That won't bother me. They can stay hibernating for all I care. Hey, wait a minute. I'm gonna flip a Yui. Hang on. Okay, technically, I guess I'm flipping 2 Yuis. That's just fine. I think it might be worth it, though. We'll see. Where was it? Right here. Okay. Let's see, picnic tables. Let's try this out. Oh, clearance? We gonna be okay? I think we're gonna rub the side of the RV with some nice palm tree leaves. Fee area, state forest. Oh, this is a little campground. Could work. Yeah, it's a tack muddy through here, and still raining. But if I can camp next to these palm trees, a little picnic table, and some water. I think that's fresh water, though. Better watch out for gators, right? Okay, figured. I did figure that. And let's get a price here. $2 to get in, $10 to camp. Yeah, this is worth it, I think. And I found Jax a feather. He's gonna be happy boy tonight. What is it, Jax? What is it out there? What do you see? See some fish? Wanna go fishing, Jax? Wanna catch me some dinner? Well, you know I'm bad at it. You're probably better than I am. Yeah. This? Oh, did you want that? Did you want to smell that and stuff? What do you think? What is it? Could it be smelly? Did you want to test it? What is that strange thing? Dad brought you a treat. You don't want it? Oh. What if I make it move? You want to attack it? Yeah, now do you want it? Can I have it? It took you a minute to warm up to it, but you like it now, huh? Yeah, Dad, give me another feather. Give me another one, Dad. Okay, so we'll call this primitive camping. There is a porta potty there, but no power, and you got to deal with gators. Possible gators. Boy, I wish I knew how to fly fish. Right there, you'd catch something, I bet. I bet you would. So, here in the Everglades, we're going to go up to Fort Myers from here, and then go up the Gulf Coast of Florida for a little bit, just to see. Oh, weird. There's a couple gravesite markers here. Did they die right here on the bank? Oh no, there's 3 of them. Please tell me it was not a gator issue. That's kind of creepy. Actually, this whole area is now creeping me out. Never mind. Stay out of there. Creepy. I always prefer boondocking to resort plugins. Always. And you can see I got the whole place to myself, and I like it that way. I definitely prefer it that way on the road. It's just much more peaceful, you know? And, oh, by the way, this is a new jacket, this new leather jacket. It matches my Daytona jacket, but I won this one on eBay for 80 bucks. Same exact manufacturer, same size, different design. So now I have 2 NASCAR leather jackets. Maybe I'll give one away at some point. But I like it better because it's got the blue and black. Yeah. All right, I got no other plans. Still got the motorcycle covered there. It's gonna be rainy and dark, so I'll cut back in the morning, guys. We'll head on west. All right, good morning, guys. As you can see, it's still a little wet this morning, and it's gonna rain today. Just not raining hard right now. I am going to utilize the day, since I don't want to film outside, to go check into the urgent care again. I'm going to be using my new insurance for 2019 for the first time too. And I will talk about that more in the future. I want to test it a little bit first before I advertise and promote it, basically. But this cough, 3 weeks now, and a sore back. I want to get my eye looked at again as well. Well, I want to get my eye, I might have to get some more antibiotics, because that's 3 rounds of it, and it's not going away. So, yeah, that's what I will do to close up this video, and hopefully I can get a diagnosis. I got a flu shot, so I don't have the flu. It could be like something different, like pneumonia or bronchitis or strep throat or something. I hope not, but I gotta go find out and get some meds for it, because 3 weeks is too long, and my back is really hurting me. So, I'm here in Fort Myers. This is a great activity for the day. And like I said, I'll give you some more information after I've tested out my mobile nomad health insurance on the road for a couple months. Maybe in February or March, I'll give you guys some information. Okay? All right. I am back. I just want to share some of this, although I'll go into more detail later, like I said. But in and out of the urgent care here in Fort Myers, and have 4 prescriptions in my hand, all in under 1 hour. And all 4 of my prescriptions were 100% covered by my new insurance, and I only paid a $30 copay here at urgent care. So I'm actually thinking this is really good. I've generally been a pretty healthy person on the road, but things happened. And I'm getting to that age now where it's gonna, you know, going into these places and paying $250 out of pocket, and then paying for all your prescriptions out of pocket, it's not practical anymore for me, and for a lot of people on the road. So if you'd be interested in me making a video talking about my Nomad insurance, let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to put that together here pretty soon. But I got a 3rd type of antibiotics. This one's for my sinus infection. Yeah, I don't have strep throat, bronchitis, or pneumonia. I don't have any of those. It's just a sinus infection that causes that. Mucus. So, a 3rd type of antibiotics. And I got some back pain for my back, which is not related to this. These said the muscles are not. The muscles that you cough with are not where my back pain is. So, I just, strenuous. Yeah, I just pulled a muscle and it means. So, I got that. And I got my eye cream and more eye drop stuff that also has antibiotics in it. So, Jax is still hiding underneath my seat. So, I'll try to get better. Hopefully the rain will stop in my next video. And Jax and I will see you somewhere, as we are now officially on the Gulf side of the state of Florida, heading north. My favored side of Florida. Alright guys, have a good day. Jax and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.